Yeah, I saw something. Wish it wasn't red. UN. Yeah. No, I was talking to UN. Um, have you seen any choppers of refugees? No. Okay, thank you. That's the third one. Sounds like Black Ops. Yeah, I think that too. That's usually when the ones who work with me with my ghost talker like go on about full metal jacket, total annihilation of the place. Mm. Unfortunately, I don't have another phone at the moment at all. I would have put on a ghost talker light again, but hopefully I'll get one next week. So those choppers are choppers that Trump has bought some of. It doesn't mean that he's the only one who's bought them, and it doesn't mean he's only just bought them from America. But just like that day when I got somebody tried to attack me, and a taxi driver in a taxi with a missile, it doesn't actually necessarily mean it's another country. Nowadays, there are some people who are really, really rich and really, really corrupt, and there's others who aren't really, really corrupt who are rich. Um, that's a meteor acting, but not actually. I'm sending on work. Yeah, so apparently, really rich people, really corrupt people, um, buy illegal weapons and stuff, choppers and everything on the dark web. So, including space portals, interdimensional portals, and all kinds of stuff. It's a major way CIA make money nowadays. Oh, there you go. It's owned by the CIA. The dark web is owned by the CIA. So the missiles, incidentally, that struck, um, they're saying it was from America and all from Trump. Yeah, struck Palestine, Israel, and Egypt, and a little part of Africa. So it doesn't actually help anyone to bomb anyone. It's indiscriminate and it's evil. Please don't do it.